Investing in penny stocks can be riskier than traditional stocks, as these low-price stocks from smaller companies can be more volatile and subject to manipulation. Here's a guide on how to invest in penny stocks. Research. Conduct thorough research on the companies you're interested in. Look at financial statements, recent news, management backgrounds, and industry trends. Verify the information from reliable sources. Risk assessment. Understand that penny stocks are speculative investments with higher risks. Be prepared for potential losses and only invest money you can afford to lose. Trading platform. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform that offers trading in penny stocks. Ensure it provides real-time data, research tools, and customer support. Diversification. Don't put all your money into one penny stock. Diversify your portfolio across different stocks to spread risk. Avoid scams. Be cautious of pump and dump schemes and false information that can artificially inflate stock prices. Stick to reliable sources of information. Volume and liquidity. Consider stocks with decent trading volume to ensure you can buy and sell without major price fluctuations. Set limits. Determine your entry and exit points. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains. Due diligence. Investigate the company's financials, management, competitive position, and growth prospects. Analyze the reason behind the stock's low price. Long-term versus short-term. Decide if you're aiming for short-term trading gains or long-term growth. Your strategy will influence your buying and selling decisions. Patience and discipline. Penny stock investing requires discipline. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Exit strategy. Have a clear exit strategy. Decide when you will sell if the stock meets your target or if it starts declining. Remember that penny stock investing is not suitable for everyone, especially for inexperienced investors. It requires careful analysis, a well thought out strategy, and constant monitoring.